Everybody. I'm going to actually present some series of videos on various skills in personality development. Today, I'm going to take up one of the very important tools in personality development. That is how to achieve your goals through visualization. First of all, we must understand what is visualization. Visualization is nothing but that you dream or you imagine what you want to be, what you want to become. See, this is very, very interesting tool and practically it is possible. For instance, this visualization helps your subconscious mind to be alert always, which will help you utilizing any opportunity coming in your way. For example, I tell you how the subconscious mind is working for you. All of us must have really learned cycling in our very young period. What happened when we were learning cycling? First, somebody was helping us, maybe your father or brother or sister or mother, whoever may be. And slowly you'll learn how to cycle by yourself. Then your confidence level is built up. Over a period of time, what happens when you actually achieve your teens and you cycle along with another person who is also coming in another cycle, and you people keep talking without being conscious about cycling. How is it possible? Because your subconscious mind has been already put into alert to keep you pedaling the cycle. Likewise, it can be referred even to your two-wheeler driving or four-wheeler driving. You can keep talking to your friends. When you drive a car with another friend sitting next to you, you can keep talking to him and drive. But when you are learning, you will not be able to do that. So this is what the power of subconscious mind. This subconscious mind is actually trained by practice. I'll give you another example. In USA, there was a research conducted how human psychology works in the minds of the people. In other words, how the subconscious mind is working on people. So they have selected two important basketball teams, and two are very good. Okay, but one is slightly lower in skill than the other one. So the best team was asked to practice in a basketball court every day for 2 hours. So for continuous 30 days. So they had a very good practice. The other team has been advised to practice in another basketball court without a ball. The first team was practicing 30 days, 2 hours a day, practicing with a ball. And the second team, for 30 days, 2 hours a day, without the ball, they were practicing. They should have been visualizing how the ball goes to one person to another person, and another person is stopping him from taking the ball to basket it. So they were doing it, imagining they were playing a real game. So at the end of the practice session, maybe 30 days later, on 31st day, these two teams were asked to really put into test. So they fought together. What happened was, the best team lost. The team which had been practicing in visualization was able to win the best team. So this is how the mind works. I can quote one live example There are many examples in everybody's life perhaps, but I can quote one example from tennis world. In lawn tennis, very popular sisters, Williams sisters from America, Venus Williams and Serena Williams. What happened was, the younger sister, Serena Williams, she had not won any Grand Slam, but her elder sister won at least twice, I think, if I am right. So the younger sister was actually practicing, and it was so happened, she was so obsessed about it. And the following day, she fought. In fact, after the match was everything was over, she won the match. She became a champion. So the sports reporter asked her a question, Serena, how is this? The competition has been so tough. There are a lot of top-seeded players were playing, and you have never won even one single Grand Slam championship. What made you to win this cup? And she said, last night what happened, I had a dream that I was holding this winning cup. And my dream has come today. And today I am literally holding the winning cup. So this is the power of the visualization. So friends, what you have to do in order to achieve your goal, if you practice every day, spend just 2 minutes, you just decide what you want to be, and then practice every morning. As soon as you get up from the bed, think that, imagine that you have achieved the goal. Behave yourself that you have achieved your goal every day without fail. If you are so serious about it, keen about it, do it in the night before you go to bed too. If you do it, I tell you, your goal can be definitely achieved one day. You know how it works? It actually makes your subconscious mind alert. I'm telling you scientifically how it works. So your subconscious mind is made alert to avail any opportunity come by. Otherwise, there will be opportunities plenty, but we will be always missing it. So if you practice visualization, this visualization will help you your subconscious mind to be alert, so that you will never miss an opportunity to win your goal. So I will come back to you in another video with a different tool of achieving your goal in your life. Thank you.